BenGlassLaw is a nationally recognized long-term disability law firm. Our main office is located in Fairfax, Virginia, near Fair Oaks Mall. In practice since 1983, Ben Glass left his old firm where he was a partner in 1995 to start a new type of law firm in a small two-person office in Fairfax City. After that practice grew to occupy 4 suites across 2 office buildings, the firm made the move in 2018 to a magnificent 8,000 square foot office on Fair Ridge Drive, and Ben's son Brian joined the firm as his partner. The new offices were designed to not only provide a world-class space for a terrific team to serve disability clients, but also to create the Ben Glass Center for Growth and Innovation, where lawyers come from around the country to be trained by the Ben Glass Law team on how to serve their long-term disability clients better. We continually push against the old ways of practicing law. The firm is well known for its out-of-the-box thinking about how legal services should be delivered in long-term disability cases. Our Live Life Big podcast studio is a one-of-a-kind in the country. We believe that the best lawyers are more than just lawyers to their clients. We are here to help you make the right decision for your case and your life every time.